Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I look crusty because today is wash day. Really not exciting though, because if you know, you know. I like wash day because I like my scalp feeling refreshed, but then again, it's hard work, so yeah. Anyway, today I'm going to be doing a budget-friendly wash day. When I say budget-friendly, I mean inexpensive products. I feel like I always do videos and the products I use are like up there. In this economy, you might not have the funds for that, and that's okay because sometimes I don't have the funds, or I do, I just don't want to spend the money. Whatever it is, it's okay. With that being said, let me show you the products because I'm just going to show you and I'm just going to start it because yeah, like I always say in my videos, my intro will be way too long. So we're going to be using Garnier Fructis Pure Clean. This is a really good clarifying shampoo, really cheap. I think this whole set was at least like $6. I'll find the real prices and link them below, but this is not sponsored by like Garnier Fructis Pure Clean Shampoo and Conditioner. Then for my deep conditioner, I'm going to be using Hair Mayonnaise. This is Hair Mayonnaise. This is literally like an OG product. You can find this in the drugstore, probably the dollar store. Well, maybe, depending on when you go to. And then, of course, my trusty Aloe Vera Leaf. This is literally $1 or less. You can grow this yourself as well. And yeah, let's get started. bruh. Your hair should pretty much already be hydrated, but if not, like I always say, this gonna bring it right on through there. And my face is shiny because I'm in the middle of also doing my skincare, so mind your business. I literally just cut like little pieces off, maybe like this big, and then I split it open. I scrape it off. Well, the first part you don't have to scrape off, you can apply directly to your hair, but after that, it's gonna dry up, so you just keep scraping. It's gonna literally come down in your hands, and then you just apply it and just keep brushing through. All right, now let's go and do it. This big, yep, this big.